I'm Charlotte. I'm from CHIJ St. Joseph's Convent. My O-level grade was A2 and I've been learning journey for about a year. I was really relieved when I got my results because I knew that all my hard work has paid off. So yeah, I was really happy with my grade. I think I've grown in my command for English in terms of for my essays, I've started using a wider range of vocabulary and I started knowing how to analyze the text of the comprehension text in paper 2. Some struggles I had when in secondary English is that when I try to analyze the comprehension text, I usually struggle because I don't know what I need to look out for. And Learning Journey has taught me how to analyze these texts. I also struggled in oral because I wasn't really confident in my speaking skills as well. And I think that I had a very limited vocabulary, so I also struggled in that area. They taught me how to write interesting introductions and fitting conclusions from my essays in paper 1. They also helped me in my oral preparation because they collated popular topics and they helped to craft questions, and I prepared for these topics by answering the questions they asked, and this helped me a lot for oral because I was more confident in the topic. For paper 2, they also taught me how to analyze the text and analyze the question types so I know what type of answers the questions are asking for, and this helped me a lot. Something I really enjoy about Learning Journey classes is that the teachers are really engaging and they're really fun, so it always made me look forward to coming for these lessons. They also provide a lot of feedback. For example, after every test in school, the teachers would help to analyze the question paper and they'll help to give feedback on the areas where I've gone wrong, and I think it was really helpful for me. And I also really enjoyed the pace the teachers were going in at Learning Journey and the discussions we had with the other students in the class as well. I think those who are looking for very fun and enriching lessons should come to Learning Journey because every week I was always looking forward to lessons due to how engaging and fun the teachers were. For me, lessons in Learning Journey was a hybrid class, so there were people doing online and also in person. I personally did in person, which was really helpful because my teacher, because it was a very small class, my teacher was able to give sufficient attention to each student in class, and I think it's really good because the teachers are able to help you sufficiently and it's not a struggle to get the attention of the teacher because of how small the classes were. The teachers were also really fun and engaging as they always try to engage with the students by asking questions and having interesting discussions. I'm really thankful that Learning Journey has been part of my O-level journey in Sec 4, and I'm really thankful for all they have done for me.